In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add Calendly to your Shopify store. Calendly is a fantastic tool for managing appointments and schedules, and integrating it into your Shopify site can make it much easier for your customers to book time with you. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open Calendly. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you don't, you'll want to create one. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, where you can manage your events and settings. Now, look to your left side. You'll see a menu, and within that, you want to select Meetings. This option allows you to manage the different types of meetings you have set up. Now, in the Meetings section, find the three dots or the More option next to the specific meeting type you wish to embed into your Shopify store. When you click on those three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. You want to select Add to Website from this menu. Next, you'll see an option for Inline Embed. This enables you to add your Calendly directly to your site in a seamless manner. Click on Inline Embed, and then you'll need to click Continue. After that, Calendly will generate the embed code for you. It's essential to copy this code, so go ahead and either right-click to select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Now that you've copied the code, it's time to head over to Shopify, open a new tab in your browser, and type in shopify.com. Then log into your store. Once you're on your Shopify admin page, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll want to click on Online Store, and then from the drop-down menu, select Themes. This will bring you to a page where all your themes are listed. You should see a Customize button right next to your current active theme. Click on that to open the theme editor. Here's where the magic happens. In the left-hand menu of the Theme Customizer, look for an option that says Add Section. Clicking on this will allow you to add new features to your site. Scroll down until you reach the Custom Liquid option. This option is perfect for embedding code that isn't covered by other section types. Once you click on Custom Liquid, you'll see an area where you can paste code. This is where your copied Calendly code comes in. Paste the code you copied earlier right into that box. It's always a good idea to double-check your work at this point. Make sure the code is pasted correctly without any extra spaces or modifications. Once you're happy with it, look for the Save button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click that button to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully added Calendly to your Shopify store. Now, when visitors come to your site, they can seamlessly book appointments with you, making it easier for everyone involved. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add Calendly to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more great tips and tricks. Implementing tools like Calendly can significantly enhance customer engagement, so I encourage you to give it a go. Until next time.